Premium health insurance plans often sound similar on paper, but their DNA tells a different story. Last year, we reviewed ICICI Lombard Elevate and highlighted its impressive add-on ecosystem and unique features like surrogate coverage. Now, with the 2025 updates and refined performance metrics, it's time to revisit this plan and see how it stacks up in today's competitive landscape. The core promise remains the same though: comprehensive coverage with extensive customization options. The devil, as always, is in the details. Hi folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. We're backed by Zerodha, helped over 8 lakh Indians navigate the maze of health and term insurance with honest and unbiased advice through our IDI certified advisors. We help you compare plans and select the right one for you and your family, and we never spam or we never force sell to you. If you'd like our personalized help understanding this plan or any others, then book a free call with our advisors with the link in the description. It just takes 2 minutes. Alright, today we're breaking down the 2025 version of ICICI Lombard Elevate in complete detail. We'll examine the insurer's updated performance metrics, plan eligibility, core features, waiting periods, the extensive add-on ecosystem, discount structures, and premium analysis as well. We'll also compare it with leading alternatives to give you the complete picture. And by the end, you will know exactly whether this plan deserves a spot on your shortlist. Alright, ICICI Lombard operates as a joint venture between India's ICICI Bank and Canada's Fairfax Holdings. With over 20 years in the insurance space, they focus on customer centricity and digital innovation across motor, health, fire, and liability insurance products. Now let's talk about the performance metrics, which is the average of the data between 2021 to 24. The average CSR over the last 3 years stands at 85.24%, notably below the industry average of 89.76. The incurred claims ratio is around 83, slightly above the industry average of 82.28%. However, they perform well on the complaint side because they just have 8.96 complaints per 10,000 claims settled. That's significantly better than industry average of 22. Their network includes over 10,200 hospitals across India. Now let's move on to the plan eligibility and coverage options. Adults can enter from age 18 with lifelong renewability guaranteed. Dependent children are covered from 91 days up to 30 years. Policy tenures are highly flexible: 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 5 years. Some insured options are extensive and ranging from 5 lakhs to unlimited coverage, including specific options like 7.5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 1 CR and 3 CR. Coverage is available as individual or family floater for up to 2 adults and 3 children. Now let me walk you through the core features. Room rent is restricted to single private rooms only, so yes, there is a room rent limit. There is no co-payment and no disease-wise sublimits. Pre-hospitalization is extensive at 90 days and 180 days post-hospitalization. Daycare treatment, domiciliary care, and Ayush treatments are covered up to sum insured. The bonus structure provides 20% increase annually up to 100% of base sum insured regardless of claims. And most importantly, restoration is available unlimited times for any illnesses. Now, coming to waiting periods, there's a 30-day initial waiting period with accidents covered from day 1. Specific illnesses waiting period is 2 years, which is standard, but notably just 90 days for diabetes, hypertension, and cardiac conditions if not diagnosed as pre-existing at purchase. And yes, PD waiting period is standard at 3 years. The specific illness list covers typical conditions but not limited to gastric surgeries, gastric ulcers, hernias, cataracts, arthritis, kidney stones, and various surgical procedures. Now, for the standout built-in features that differentiate Elevate: surrogate and oocyte cover that provides up to 5 lakh rupees for surrogate mothers and oocyte donor expenses. Now, this is very rare in the market. Nursing at home pays up to 2,000 rupees daily for post-hospitalization nursing care for up to 10 days. Wellness benefit offers up to 30% renewal premium discount for participating in their wellness program. Bariatric surgery coverage is also there in this plan with a 2-year waiting period, reducible to 30 days with add-ons. There's also 2-hour hospitalization coverage with medical expenses for hospitalization lasting just up to 2 hours minimum. Now, with the add-on ecosystem, this is pretty extensive, and I think this is the most standout feature of ICICI Elevate because they have 29 different options. You have key ones like reduction in PD from 3 years to 12 to 24 months, claim protector for consumables coverage, power booster providing 100% cumulative bonus annually, room modifier to upgrade from single private room to any room or twin sharing, jumpstart reducing PD waiting to just 30 days for common conditions like diabetes and hypertension, maternity coverage with waiting period reduction options, worldwide cover for international treatment, and critical illness coverage up to 50 lakh rupees. Discount structures include multi-tenure discounts up to 15%, credit score based discount up to 15%, and early renewal discount of 2.5%. Alright folks, if you're evaluating whether Elevate's extensive customization options align with your family's specific health needs, our advisors can help you navigate the add-on combinations that make sense for your situation. Book a free consultation. The link is in the description. Alright, now let's talk premiums for Delhi with 10 lakh coverage, including claim protector and room modifier add-on. Now, for a 30-year-old individual, the cost is 9,500. For 2 adults age 30, it's 13,900, and adding a child brings the family premium to 18,500. Now, these figures include GST and represent competitive positioning in the market. When compared to alternatives, Elevate is significantly more accessible than HDFC Ergo's Secure at 16,800 for individuals and Care Supreme at 13,900, making it the most budget-friendly among premium comprehensive plans. Alright, now let me give you Ditto's cut on ICICI Lombard Elevate for 2025. You can check this document out, which is linked in the description. Here's what we appreciate about ICICI Elevate. The extensive add-on ecosystem provides exceptional customization and flexibility for diverse health needs. Unique features like surrogate coverage and 2-hour hospitalization addresses specific market gaps. The pricing remains highly competitive, making comprehensive coverage accessible. Multi-tenure options up to 5 years provides excellent long-term planning flexibility and shield against inflation. The Jumpstart add-ons 30-day waiting period reduction for common conditions is genuinely valuable. Now, where this plan has some considerations, the claim settlement ratio is at 85.24%, and this lags behind industry averages and premium competitors. Room rent restriction to single private room limits treatment flexibility unless upgraded via add-ons. The bonus structure at 20% annually is modest compared to competitors offering 50 to 100% increase. The complexity of 29 add-ons can be overwhelming for first-time buyers to navigate effectively. There you go, folks. That was the breakdown of updated ICICI Lombard Elevate plan for 2025. The fundamental pre-position remains strong, extensive customization and competitive pricing, but the operational metrics suggest considering alternatives. And remember, folks, that no plan is universally the best. What works for you depends on your needs. If you're looking to understand how this plan compares with other comprehensive options or how specific add-ons align with your health needs, book a free consultation with our advisors at Ditto. Our advisor is completely free and the link is in the description. Alright, folks, that was it from me. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. This is the easiest and the simplest way to help Ditto make India financially and insurance aware. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy insurance hunting.